Hi, this is a quick walkthrough of Hyperlocal Pickup, an add-on that lets you fulfill orders from the nearest warehouse within a defined radius or selected pin. With Hyperlocal Pickup, you can limit fulfillment to nearby customers by radius and edit the list of serviceable pins. It's great for faster delivery and precise coverage. Now, to access the Hyperlocal Marketplace feature, go to Settings, click on Merchant Profile, click on Warehouses. You'll see your existing warehouses on the screen. To add one, click Add Warehouse and enter the name. Next, enter the location, contact number, your email, your precise address for the warehouse, enter the city and the zip code. You can also turn on the toggle to make the warehouse as a default warehouse if required. Now scroll to serviceable radius and enter the coverage you want. Let's say we are keeping 7 kilometers as the coverage. Now click on Fetch Pin to auto-populate the codes within the radius. You can then add or remove individual codes to fine-tune your service area. Click Next to reconfigure the return address. Choose Same as Pickup or enter a different location for returns. When you're done, click Update to save. You can add multiple warehouses for different regions. Order can be routed to the appropriate warehouse with one default warehouse as fallback.